Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX 3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX 3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX 3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX 3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
Our new generation of Simplehuman step cans are sleek, strong, and very efficient. And they include a very special innovation that makes it faster and easier to change liners. It's the liner pocket. It lets you store and dispense liners right inside the can. Faster, easier, and more efficient. Just place a 20-liner refill pack in the back. Our liners dispense one at a time. No clumsy perforations or unraveling. Just pull. Our unique lid design has an outer liner rim which holds the liner in place and keeps it neatly hidden inside. And on the bottom, there's an integrated drip tray, very easy to clean. Since there's no need for a bulky inner bucket, the can holds 25% more trash. The wide step pedal is extremely sturdy, tested to last over 20 steps a day for 20 years. And our patented lid shocks slows the lid for a quiet close.
Airmega's pollution sensor measures indoor air quality in real time. The brightly colored LED ring indicates the quality of the air you're breathing every minute of the day. Airmega's unique Smart Mode allows it to automatically change its settings based on the air quality around it. In Smart Mode, Airmega will automatically adjust its fan speed according to the air quality of the room. When indoor air quality is good, the fan rotates slowly. If it becomes unhealthy, the fan rotates faster to clean more air at a faster rate. In Smart Eco Mode, your Airmega conserves energy by shutting off the fan when the air quality is good for 10 minutes or more. If the pollution sensor detects particles in the air, the fan restarts automatically. While in Sleep Mode, the Airmega's fan runs at the lowest speed. so it will continue to clean the air all night, saving energy while you get a restful night's sleep. Airmega's dual suction feature pulls in air from both sides, allowing more polluted air in and pushing more clean air out. The Airmega 400S and 400 can keep the air clean in a room up to 1,560 square feet, and the 300S and 300 can cover up to 1,256 square feet. Airmega's advanced filters remove pollutants as small as 0.3 microns. The easy-to-clean pre-filter captures large particles like hair, fur, and dust in its micromesh. The Max 2 filter, with its combined activated carbon and green true HEPA filters, captures and reduces up to 99.97% of airborne particles, including pollen, pollutants, and other allergens. Airmega's built-in filter lifetime indicators tell you when it's time to clean or replace either filter, so you never have to worry about it. When the wash letters light up, you know it's time to clean the 2 pre-filters. When the change letters light up, it's time to replace the 2 Max 2 filters. The Airmega is available in 4 models. The 400 series is available with or without Wi-Fi. The 300 series is also available with or without Wi-Fi.
When a big blower is simply too much for the job, the light choice is the right choice with Sunjoe's 6-amp all-purpose electric blower. Weighing less than 4 pounds, this diminutive dynamo packs a 155-mile-per-hour punch, and its powerful 6-amp electric motor makes light work of loads of leaves and piles of dirt and debris to leave your yard spotless. Sunjoe's just the right size for light-duty household applications like sweeping the porch, patio, walkways, and garage. Easy one-handed operation makes your chores a breeze, and SPJ 597E includes Sunjoe's standard 2-year warranty for worry-free operation and reliable performance season after season. So downsize your bulky blower, make light work of yard waste, and go with Joe. The SPJ 597E all-purpose electric blower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Ditch the cord and gas and cut the grass with MJ401C, the completely cordless counterpart of Sunjoe's best-selling MJ401E electric mower. Perfect for small to medium lawns, the eco-friendly battery-powered mower's durable steel blade cuts a crisp 14-inch wide path with precision in a single pass and features a convenient 3-position manual height control to quickly tailor your turf to just the right height. When you're ready, simply insert the key, press the safety switch, squeeze the trigger, and go. Collect the clippings with a 10.6-gallon bag and detach for quick and easy disposal. Plus, MJ401C is driven by a long-life, peak-performance rechargeable 28-volt lithium-ion battery for the ultimate in cordless convenience. And when the workday is done, simply plug back in and power up. Blast past the limits of the extension cord with cordless power and performance. And go with Joe, the MJ401C 28-volt 14-inch cordless lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Life gets messy. Let the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free wringing system lets you wring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The EasyWring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl. O-Cedar makes your life easier.